Have you ever wondered how secure your serverless applications really are? Platforms like AWS Lambda and Azure Functions make development so easy and scalable, but do you know the hidden security risks lurking behind the scenes? Welcome to Bluehat Cybersec Academy. Let's dive in and explore how to protect your serverless apps before it's too late. So let's start by understanding what serverless security actually means. Serverless security focuses on protecting the application code, runtime, and integrations, rather than the underlying infrastructure. In traditional setups, you manage the server or operating system, but in serverless, that responsibility shifts to the cloud provider. There are a few things you need to think about. Function code security, making sure your code is free from vulnerabilities. API and data security, protecting the data flowing in and out of your functions. And access management, controlling which resources your function can access. Because serverless functions are ephemeral, short-lived, and event-driven, attackers can exploit misconfigurations or insecure code to compromise systems, steal data, or escalate privileges. Now let's discuss some of the most common security challenges you'll face in serverless environments. First, insecure dependencies. Many serverless functions rely on third-party libraries, and a single vulnerability in a dependency can compromise your entire application if it's not scanned and updated regularly. Second, excessive permissions. Over-permissioned functions, like a Lambda function with full access to S3, can be a huge risk if an attacker gains access. Third, unprotected APIs. Serverless functions are often triggered by HTTP endpoints. Without proper authentication, input validation, and rate limiting, these APIs can be exploited for attacks such as injection, data exfiltration, and denial of service. Fourth, event data injection. Serverless functions process events from multiple sources, such as file uploads or message queues. Maliciously crafted event payloads can exploit code vulnerabilities if inputs aren't properly validated. Finally, limited visibility and monitoring. Traditional tools often fail to capture ephemeral function executions effectively. Without proper logging and observability, detecting attacks or anomalies becomes very challenging. So, how do we actually secure serverless functions? Let's go through some best practices. First, apply the principle of least privilege. Always grant functions only the permissions they absolutely need. For example, in AWS Lambda, avoid giving full administrative access. Use fine-grained IAM roles scoped to specific resources. Next, secure your dependencies. Use only trusted libraries from reputable sources. Scan regularly for vulnerabilities with tools like Snyk or Dependabot, and lock dependency versions to prevent unintended updates. It's also essential to validate and sanitize inputs. Never trust incoming event data. Validate and sanitize all inputs, whether they're HTTP requests or event triggers, to prevent injection attacks. Enable strong authentication and authorization. Use API gateways or function proxies for authentication. Integrate JWT tokens, OAuth or API keys, and never hardcode credentials in your function code. Encrypt sensitive data. Use cloud provider-managed encryption for data at rest, like AWS KMS, and enforce HTTPS or TLS for data in transit. Implement detailed logging and monitoring. Enable logging for all function executions. Integrate with cloud-native services like AWS CloudWatch or Azure Monitor, or use third-party SIEM tools. Set alerts for unusual patterns or suspicious activity. Monitor for runtime threats. Consider runtime protection tools or serverless security platforms that detect anomalies, monitor event inputs, and guard against zero-day vulnerabilities. And finally, automate security testing. Integrate security testing into your CI or CD pipeline using static code analysis, dependency scanning, and automated penetration testing. This ensures vulnerabilities are caught early. Let's look at a real-world example to make this more concrete. Imagine, for a moment, an e-commerce platform using AWS Lambda to process orders. Without proper serverless security, an attacker could exploit an unvalidated API endpoint to manipulate order data, upload malicious files to S3 that trigger Lambda functions, or even exploit over-permissioned Lambda roles to access databases. But, by applying best practices, like limiting IAM permissions, validating inputs, encrypting sensitive data, and monitoring logs, the platform significantly reduces its attack surface, protecting both customer data and business operations. Looking ahead, the future of serverless security is evolving quickly. Emerging trends include function-level security automation using AI to detect vulnerabilities in real time, enhanced observability through distributed tracing and anomaly detection, and integrated DevSecOps practices that bake security directly into serverless CI/CD pipelines. By staying proactive, organizations can safely leverage serverless architectures while keeping their data and systems secure. So in conclusion, serverless computing gives you unmatched agility and scalability, but it comes with unique security challenges. Protecting AWS Lambda, Azure Functions, and other serverless platforms requires a combination of secure coding, minimal permissions, robust input validation, and vigilant monitoring. Remember, serverless doesn't mean serverless security. Your code, inputs, and permissions must always be carefully managed. Now it's your turn. Think about this challenge. Can you name 3 common security risks in serverless functions? And what's one best practice you would implement first to secure a Lambda or Azure function? Drop your answers in the comments. We'd love to see what you came up with. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Bluehat Cybersec Academy for more lessons on cloud security. Don't forget to check out our cloud security playlist to level up your skills and stay ahead in the cloud security game. Stay secure, and we'll see you in the next video.